How are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Sureka.
ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు మేడం మీరు హైదరాబాద్లో?
I've lived here my whole life, IDPL colony.
ఓకే. వాట్ యూ డూ యాక్చువల్లీ?
I am working with a bank. I'm into banking industry.
వెన్ డిడ్ యూ పర్చేస్ ఫ్లాట్ ఇన్ A2A Homelands?
Um, a couple of months back.
Couple of months. Can I, why do you choose A2A Homelands?
So I've been looking for investing in property for quite some time, over the last 2 years, in fact. I looked at quite prestigious projects like Prestige and Aparna and a couple of others, but they were like way too expensive. Only 2 BHK was costing about 1.2 and all. So, and there was no location benefit. The more they were interior to the city, the cost was going up, very high. So, I mean, um, I did hear about A2A. We saw the project for first project near the DMart and all. Um, when we looked at the brochure initially, it was a 3 BHK flat, and the advertisement was such a way that it was always a luxury project. So I was like little hesitant because I was not looking for any luxury apartment at that stage. I just wanted some, an affordable housing within the city limits. So I think I delayed my decision by a couple of years. So finally, when we visited this, and the pricing seems to be very competitive, and the kind of quality of construction was also very good. It was at par with the major construction companies. So I felt that even though the cost was a bit on a higher side for my budget, I thought as the more I delay, it's going to be more expensive, and we have a location advantage, and I've lived in this area for quite some time. I was very comfortable, and there is no problem. It was like very nearby to all the major city locations, and there's no water problem and transport issues and all. So in every way, the project seems to be very very advantageous to us, and we also heard that the adjacent land will get developed into a commercial space. That was an added advantage. Obviously the property price will go up and all. So we considered all the pros and cons, and finally we made up our mind, and then we went for this purchase. I'm quite happy with my decision.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Happy living.